YouTube Lemons.
Luigi, look! It's from Mickey Mouse. Dear pesky plumbers, Donald Duck and I have taken over the Mushroom Kingdom. The princess is now a permanent guest at my clubhouse. I dare you to find her if you can. We gotta find the princess. No! If you need instruction, check out the enclosed instruction book. Hey, everybody! It's me, Mickey Mouse. Say, you want to come inside my clubhouse? No! No! Well, all right. Let's go. To make the clubhouse appear, we get to say the magic words. Wake up, sleepy bones. Bind the living and cut their vile throats. Say it with me. Wake up, sleepy bones. Bind the living and cut their vile throats.
Lemons. Lemons.
Roll call! Gee, it sure is boring around here. It's the Mickey Mouse!
Lemons.
Mouse. Mickey, go.
Lemon.